about allegations on drugs and SMP na unim se MP for Asin South Reverend Ntim Fordjour then sembi to just say aeroplane bia besi ewo memu a enroom any ade na ehun komodie gusu aban aso ye kasamafo one in charge of government communications Felix Ofosukwakye abekasa achirim say saa asem no enye no kre but then Reverend Ntim Fordjour was calling for investigations na enkomo kakra bi akoso recently na Felix Ofosukwakye ene miami nua obi etwetwe nkomo ewa asempa na yentie nsem no kakra.
Really, then this whole investigation is necessary.
It is just so that an example is made of him, so that people will refrain from that kind of behavior. Otherwise,
from everything I work and from the share video, really, then this whole investigation is necessary.
It is just so that an example is made of him, so that people will refrain from that kind of behavior.
Enti Felix Ofosukwakye na sema o kan se ese omo continue na afi omo de Reverend Ntim Fordjour allegations ya oyeye ono de o se osusu se Reverend Ntim Fordjour any shred of evidence oni evidence bia enti ono no susu se investigation ne koso na ekudum pempensuo na se bia wantumi ankyere mu saa no de na kyese aye ensenawa na se nhweso de ama afoforo mpese sa suban no almost eden e di ba Reverend Ntim Fordjour replied on same show.
Just want to make an example of him. It is on that you can play his words. No, please, Obi. We have to him no,
what he said.
He played it. And let me tell you.
They are all kind of investigations.
Let me tell you.
They will do it to make an example.
I'm saying it on your show.
Yes.
Was a President Mahama and a Tanachi, and he has said, "You can be your command."
Yes,
and it was a President Mahama say they are going to make an example of me.
Yes,
in Fordjour. I am ready. They should come and make every example they want to make. They have made the intention clear. Intolerant, highly intolerant. I've never seen any government this intolerant. Sir, my picking intel, same intel, what they call cocaine. My picking intel, same intel, what they call MDC. Next week, I will the kind of big needs NDC. I'm never born. That is why they want to gag me.
Next week,
say a bunu kakra. And then me but next week, me bu buankasa. It is one person be bomb asenwem. No mo bomb asenwem kura. Jelly me 100 years kura na masa. We will expose them.
You are engaging in an emotional blackmail.
That be no, nipa no catch us. The president to say.
Yes.
The Odibe to Jankrayana Kumem. He is not interested in investigation. And that he is only interested in making an example of me. Let them come and make me a hero. I am ready. Let them come and persecute me. Obi. Say me who me pen me the first politician or president. I'm Obi Ababeku and I said I'm Obi Aba persecute.
What please done no
if they were interested no the president
they would investigate
what is the criminality
and prosecute you if possible.
What is the criminality?
Almost say a publication of false news.
What is the false news?
Intended to create fear and panic.
What is the false news?
So what said you what kind of intro?
No, which one is the false news? Did you read my press statement?
Yes, I was repeating some.
And let me say
yes.
Which aspect of the American and false news? Which aspect of the American and a publication of false news?
Drugs, I will play them.
The fact that okay, please, the same intel. I said here. Let me tell you and tell Felix Kwacho for so whoever is behind him. Yentraha momo fa omano moso enye cocaine any money laundering. Near cocaine. Woma bekase ye ba be make example. They should make me an example for the whole world to see. Say womo ye cocaine, womo ye cocaine no, and no persecute me.
Right in show 104.5. Reverend Ntim Fordjour and Outin in Kano. You see how confident he is talking. Na who said ye akukudra wode kana se it means say na kukudro no bibi say ebia owonyina so. Na this is my take on this issue. In fact, we must not see issues of drugs as say a trivial. Enubone ehu ensem no yeti ani si yefa ne se just trivial enrade na beto dwa se opioids sa tramadol nro yi ni ade ye bay over boxes by thousands of them yakoche ewo port then the funny with them 61 bags of cannabis marijuana. Now we are voter region court order is question. Cocaine and chain ye over 300 million worth of cocaine and ye chin wo memu. Telling us that drug issues no a issue ye dealing with. Proliferation of drugs no a Dawson our system ni mu ana. That's the question we are asking. But masem say me have confidence how bold Reverend Ntim Fordjour Asen South MP Kasanoa me susu say ebia na owo enyinaso bia na owo evidence enti mesre NIB before said the more extending invitation my speaker allow we say A+ any Yusufu Emra no me you omo wan no mo nkyere nsimu no. You should extend same invitation to Reverend Ntim Fordjour as the president has even ordered earlier. Nebia na mo de bia mo anhu boxes a na cocaine wo nebia no de wo hu no watibia provide evidence no e de amamo so that we can go ahead and go to the tail of this issue. Yen cut down, yen delve deep into the issue. Na de wo bia no Ghana fo yen hu no san say akwaya allegation aba e say aban abachirem na so ye but ono so ka sem foforo and the only agency I betumi ally on and as you rely on them no investigative agencies no it NIB the best some more extending investigations to Reverend Ntim Fordjour na munhwehwe mu ikosi ase me hu se bia na our evidence bia obetumi approve and he must be ready to answer questions before the NIB. The allegations in the end say establishes say false one misinformation need disinformation adults system ni mu ensem bi we ba enye no kure na nipa na ha na ni atimi aka ma na ese no kure tonkrofo tiri mu so eno ano no edisi ahwehwem kosi ase na enye no kure a emra ne da ho ekire pefe yemfa mra nini no enaso wo ka no se mra ne bo wa obi amfa wo meye te se they want to persecute you no mo nya hwe se wo ni evidence ya Reverend Ntim Fordjour straightly because me ni evidence na me ka no kwa enye saa no mo hwem kosi ase na emra ne bo wa enya afi no obi beta wachi so obi persecute you one wakoka wasem akoya allegation and who alleges must prove etu no wakoka say bibi say intel a wapeke and so you have to provide evidence before the NIB and the NIB for if you are very active and effective more extended invitations to him the Speaker of Parliament will release him for you now on providing evidence be a wumbia say baby who may ba nu bone nsem a men so because I know how drugs ye mabunu ene ye manfo e wo man mu and the productive people e wo man population no eno na nu bone so say wo mu timi de mete ho asem a na e ha adwene pan ti wo urge the NIB to take swift action na Reverend Ntim Fordjour evidence bi e wo ho bia no they should let him provide na obi a wo hyase bia from airport wonom omo ana omo wo ho no a wo se onya intel free ho no ye nyina ye invite wo mu nyina no mo my evidence no na yentimi enkoche hu ba bia na e wo bia Nhyira 104.5 we eye kokurantumi adwumadie no na munta kanso atua na mo bi na eyade a ebeboa pa o se anamontuo ne se eye tinka sa joint ya wo munum boni ye nyina yenim alaba nche ho se omomo body na regional commander entu na mo be kai se Kofi bu achi time no o teki soup ho that time pa na nya asem ketwa na eho no koduro na hwede omo ya na waka ho asem so yentie no kakra na afi ye medi nkomo.
So unpopular they call it tinker. That's the task that I want to see, that to welcome me, to show that the Nhyira is from this region. I want Tinker to be a thing of the past in the next 6 months. And I'm very, very happy. That will give me so much confidence that anything I want to do for you in this region, I have reason to say that you're able to deal with this. And I know working together with the Narcotic Control Commission, this is a program that you're able to use to honor me. That at least in my own backyard, this thing that has lingered for so long, when I became Interior Minister, you were able to use your intelligence, you were able to use your men and women to to be able to get it to be the thing of the past. And when you do that, I think that will be a golden award to me, and that will help me to also reciprocate that good gesture with so many other things that may help you in your region. Regional Commander, in the next 6 months, if you are able to do something for me, I will be so happy. And I know Zongo mentioned Divisional Commander is here. You know, we have a place in Kumasi here around Alaba that is so unpopular. They call it Tinker. That's the task that I want to see. That to welcome me, to show that the Interior Minister is from this region. I want Tinker to be a thing of the past.
Tinker to be a thing of the past. Muntaka, Interior Minister. Not some more can so mumfa we shed any munyam. So be a minister. No mumbriki Tinker no crasa. Tinker Island. No mumbriki hokra no muni. Enubonensem no info alaba. And some pinua ka we when they bedin komo. Kakraba by initial. Mamenko. Quickly.